Hey, beautiful peeps. It's been a tough day, so I thought I'd do a quick balance before I head out for a motorbike ride. You know, I don't have to wear a mask if I'm wearing my helmet, so anyway, got to go deliver something. What a shame. So let's do it about, let's do a balance around, okay. Yeah, right. Heart energy, freedom, and grief. Heart energy, freedom, and grief. Heart energy, freedom, and grief. Okay, so run that central meridian. Feeling the heart energy. Feel your heart. Where's your heart feeling? Is it racing? Is it slow? Are you feeling happy, sad, angry, frustrated, or have you just had the most perfect day and you're sending light and love out into the world? It's been a bit of a black pill day for me, so just needed a little bit of a pick-me-up. Okay. Stack in everything you're feeling. All those energies going on out there. Anything you've been attracting. And we're ready to let it go, let it go, let it go. Know that you're a being of infinite light and infinite love. Know that the world is projecting at the moment. It's shone a light and making us look in the mirror. What are our fears? What are our angers? What are our frustrations? Have you ever been in a space of such heightened challenges before with what you feel, what you believe? It's an interesting time on the planet. And as we've been talking about all year, I've never realised I was such a rebel before. I don't like someone telling me how to think. I don't like it. I'm surprised that so many people don't think about things. Interesting. Anyway, there's pain punishment circuits. Maybe from the old Irish days. Okay, so lack of trust shutting down the corpus callosum, the connection from the left to right sides of the brain, making the brain want to run away. So the brain wants to run away. So once again, someone says, stay. I can't even make a collie stay. Anyway, Groundhog Day. So when our nervous system wants to get out and we're being told to stay, what are you doing to calm yourself down? That's good, that's good, that's good. Pulsing, pulsing, pulsing. Okay. Just allow the infinite light and love to come in through your crown chakra. Allow that infinite light and love that's out there to come on through, down through the center of all of your chakras, down to your base chakra, and connect to the earth, to Mother Earth below us. Imagine that connection, that infinite love from Father Sun coming down through the crown chakra, right down through the center of our being, infusing through every cell in the body, going straight down through our base chakra and down into the center of the earth. That light and love grounding us to the earth, grounding us to that place that helps us feel safe and alive and attached to this planet of ours. Allowing us to feel love, allowing us to feel light, allowing us to feel that knowing in our cells. The little radar that tells us what's right. We know when we're being triggered that something is challenging our belief systems. We know when we're being triggered something's challenging our BS radar. How's your radar today? be a threat danger, yeah. So this is the anterior commissure being linked in with lack of serotonin, dopamine, oxytocin, those feel-good hormones that allow the energy to our frontal cortex and allow us to problem solve and see solutions. So when people are just jumping on the bandwagon going, oh well, government knows what's best for us. Oh well, what could go wrong? Oh well, it's only another day, another 3 days, another week, another 6 weeks. Oh well. Oh well. Okay, and that triggers me when people are saying, oh well, it's just a passport. Oh well, it's just another week. Oh well, it doesn't matter. That does make me crazy. And I know for me, and I think I've said this before, I was a vegetarian for 20 years. I didn't drink for 10 years. I had a dad who was an alcoholic at school. There was all of these things. I was the chubby, freckly kid in high school. So all of these things, I was never in the popular crowd. So I've been used to thinking outside the square. And as a natural therapist, of course, for 30 years, that's the bad side of medicine. Can't possibly go against, the billionaires who make a living from giving people drugs. Can't possibly say anything about a lack of trust there. So there is some really deep pain management stuff, so I'll see how I go in the morning. I feel like there's going to be more to do here. But it's sunset and I want to get on my motorbike and ride down by the beach. Okay, I wonder if I'll see any policemen or army dudes out there that I can say g'day to. Just doing their job. I'm playing my part in this crazy world theatre. What are you doing? Okay, so keeping it happy, keeping it real, keeping it love, keeping it light. Keeping that oxytocin, dopamine, serotonin whizzing through. They don't deserve to take our happiness. They don't deserve to take our freedoms. They don't deserve to be in control. Okay. Okay, lovely. Happy, happy, joy, joy. Okay, beautiful peeps. Gonna go for a ride. Have a great night.